students. Today in this fourth lecture I am going to discuss about the question answers of chapter 11 standard 6 SS. Standard 6 SS chapter 11 lecture number 4. I am going to discuss the question answers. First question. State the importance of plateaus. State the importance of plateaus. My dear student, here I have written some points regarding importance of plateaus. Okay. First one, we know when I explain the chapter, I say it is good for the growth of cotton. Okay. So the importance of a plateau is as follows. Which are the importance of the plateau? Number one, cotton grows best in the plateau formed by the fertile black lava soil. Okay, in the fertile black lava soil, cotton is grown most. Okay, and that is good, suitable land for the growth of cotton. Okay, so cotton grows best in the plateau formed by the fertile black lava soil. First point. Second, we are getting precious minerals. Okay, so precious minerals like iron, manganese, gold. Precious minerals like iron, manganese, gold, etc. are obtained from the ancient solid rocks of the plateaus. We are getting minerals, precious minerals we are getting from plateaus. Okay. Third thing, many precious minerals are obtained from Chota Nagpur plateau of India. In India, the area Chota Nagpur area, from there we are getting. Okay, my dear student, here this is actually, it is not the importance, but still in which plateau, okay, we are getting minerals. So here, that's why I have written this thing. Okay, the area Chota Nagpur area. Okay, and from that we are getting different kind of minerals. That's why I have written this point. Many precious minerals are obtained from Chota Nagpur plateau of India. Third point, sloppy grassland of the plateau, that is good for the cattle rearing. Okay, cattle rearing business can be done there. Okay, sloppy grassland of the plateau are suitable for cattle rearing, because we are getting the things, because for cattle they need grass. Okay, and my dear student, okay, so from there we can have a cattle rearing business. Okay. Third thing, some plateaus are very favorable for tourism and the film industries. Okay, when I explain the chapter, I say first one is suitable, good for the growth of cotton. Okay, second point is about the mineral, we are getting precious minerals. Okay, then good for the cattle rearing, and as well as best for the two industries, tourism and the film industries. Got it? Next point, state the importance of plains. My dear student, first thing, fertile plains are favorable. For human habitation in many ways. Okay, because it is a fertile. Okay, and that is why good for the crops, agriculture, and because of that people stay there densely. Many people stay in the fertile land. Why? Because land is fertile, good for agriculture, and they can grow good crop, and that is why they are densely populated. So fertile plains are favorable for human habitation in many ways. So economic activities like agriculture, trade, industries developed here. Here means there. Okay, at the fertile plains, different industries are developed in agriculture industry, trade industry. Okay, means that it is developed by because it's a fertile land. Okay, fertile land good for the crop agriculture. Okay, second thing, even surface due to the even surface, roads and railways are more developed there. Okay, plains are there, because of that roads and railways are constructed there. Okay, third point, densely populated large cities have developed in the plain. Just I said na, good for agriculture, crop, and that's why densely populated. Next one, fertile soil is useful for agriculture products, and because of that, in that area, some agro industries are developed. Okay, fertile soil is useful for agricultural products. Next point, some of the agro products provide raw material to some agro industries, my dear student, and because of that, because these are the importance of plains, my dear student. Why plains are densely populated? Because the land is fertile, good for the suitable for the agriculture, and when agriculture good for the agriculture suitable, then people they stay there, and that is why they are densely populated. My dear students, my next question is why are the mountains, different from one another? Why are the mountains are different from one another? First point, mountains are formed due to the action, reaction, and instead of counter action we can write reaction. Okay, mountains are formed due to the action, counter action means reaction, reaction, and interaction of natural physical factors in the interior of the earth. Okay, action, reaction, and interaction. Okay, mountains are formed due to the action, reaction, and interaction of natural physical factors in the interior of the earth. When I explain the chapter, we have said na, how they are formed. Okay. Second thing, the impact of one or more actions. The impact of one or more action and process is seen in the origin and development of mountains. Once again, the impact of one or more actions and process is seen in the origin and the development of mountains, and that is why mountains are different with reference to their various aspects. Okay, that is why mountains are different with reference to their various aspects. My dear student, we have already learned about the importance of plateaus, plains. Here I am going to discuss about next question. I am going to discuss about state the importance of mountains, why mountains are useful. Okay, next question, explain the importance of mountains. Mountains are very important to us. Okay, because if mountains are there on border, so we can say it's a natural wall to protect our country. Okay, and we have Himalaya mountain. Okay, my dear student, Himalaya mountain protects us from severe cold. Okay, in winter when the cold comes. Okay, the cold wind comes from North Asia. My dear student, at that time Himalaya they protect North India side from that severe cold. It also protects the moisture bearing wind comes from southwest. okay, from India, and it protects and give more rain in India. So Himalaya has the very important, it's a natural boundary, protects from severe cold and also stops the rainy winds. Okay, so why the mountains are means a different importance of the mountains. Here we are discussing about Himalaya as well as some other mountains also, my dear student. Okay, first point is the high lofty mountains. The high lofty mountains on the border serve as a natural wall. We have Himalaya, natural wall, for the defense of the border. Okay, here first point is about Himalaya. Okay, so the high lofty mountains on the border serve as a natural wall for the defense of their border. Okay. Next, the mountains obstruct the moisture bearing winds and bring rain. Just I said now, southwest wind which comes from Arabian Sea and Indian Ocean. Okay, they are stopped by the Himalayas and we are getting more rain. Okay. Third thing, there is a noticeable effect. There is a noticeable effect of the location of the mountains on climate. Which kind of thing? Okay, first thing, just I explained that the Himalaya protects the North India from the severe cold. Okay, severe winds come from North Asia. The Himalayas obstruct the cold chilling winds coming from north during winter and protects North India from severe cold. So next point is many rivers that origin point is found in this mountain. And my dear student, because of that we have waterfalls good for the hydroelectricity. And my dear student, here, okay, here many rivers have their origin in mountains which form fertile plains. And here many minerals are obtained from some mountains. Okay, that is useful because of the origin we have different uses. Okay, waterfall, we have tourism also. Okay, many rivers have their origin in mountains which form fertile plains. Next point, many minerals are obtained from some mountains. Next point, the perennial rivers. Perennial means every time they have water. My dear student, the rivers in South India, they dry in a hot season, while the rivers in North India origins from Himalaya, they are considered as a perennial. Why? Because throughout the year they have water. Water remains throughout the year. That is why. Okay. The perennial rivers flow from the snow-clad high mountains, getting heavy rainfall, are useful for irrigation, hydroelectricity, fishery, and navigation. Okay. And next one, mountains are the repository of vegetation and animals. Like this, we have more importance of mountains. My dear student, copy down this thing in your notebook. Next time we will learn more. Thank you.